What's going on, guys? I got something in the mail. And I'm pretty sure it's something related to that thing. So we're gonna set you up real quick. Set you up. Right here. And we're gonna open this shit. Straight up gonna open this shit. And I think we got here something fancy and schmancy cool over here. So let's give this a quick open and take a peek. Sorry guys for one hand. I think, let's see, a sexy motherfucking piece of jewelry here. A complete thing for this fucking project. But the problem is we don't have fucking bolts for this. That's sick. So what we're gonna do is probably go install this and then install the steering wheel later, because I got to work on this too. I can find Allen keys because I don't know where. I have all the Allen keys besides one. So the only thing I gotta honestly do is release this thing. Find the top of this. Match it up to this motherfucker right here. And that's it, guys. So, easy job. Grip oil, Item LZ, Momo from Italy, actual Momo, and a Energy. That is not fake. So, we'll see what's good. Steering wheel out a while ago. Now just to throw this on and match it up. I would think is pretty even. I don't think I'm gonna get it perfect either way. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this. Do this the retarded way. That should be the retarded way. Okay. I'm gonna make sure it's a little more tight. Good enough in my standards. Tons easy. Now this is straight up. Now what we're gonna do is we are gonna sit you down right here, guys. You guys are gonna fucking chill. If I can get my phone mounted up. I'll throw these on. Some True Value things, and we're gonna do time lapse. 3, 2, 1. Now, guys, is the moment of truth. Now, steering wheel is in. This is in a 2005 Nissan Altima, and this looks fucking sick. I hope you guys like this video. I just wanted to do a little video for you guys right before Christmas, and that's really it. It's pretty lined up as much as I can. No horn. I have a horn thing right here, and all the stupid horn buttons. I have like 2 or 3 horn buttons laying around somewhere in this car, but I don't need them, so I'm gonna get a block off plate because my horn shit all over right here. Alright, here, this other piece, like, there's one of the horn buns right here. I got bucket seats for this car by Lomaxes that are going to be replacing this leather seat. The airbag light is not on because of this. Actually, recently, before this happened, I was taking the seats out and that light came on. So it definitely is now on for the airbag for here. But I'm pretty sure it started from this because I did not even take the steering wheel apart. I got pieces of my fucking steering wheel everywhere. If anyone needs an airbag, hit me up. If you want to see me blow this airbag up, let me know, because what am I gonna make off this? Fucking $5? Fuck myself with it. Well, peace out, guys. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.